Hi everyone, and welcome to the Canadian Redneck channel. My name's Dave, and today I thought I'd just give you a quick update on what's going on with our bulldozer project. Took the crank from its own engine out to the engine rebuilders, and it wasn't a big surprise. That crank was too far gone to be usable. I could have sent it away to, I think it's Montreal, to get it built up. It's a process they call spray welding, and they would weld it back up and turn it down to back to standard. But you're looking at about $1,000 to do that crank and then shipping back and forth. So that really puts it beyond where it's worth doing for this project. I mean, if you had a really expensive engine, something really difficult to find, then I guess it's probably worthwhile, but that's certainly not the case with this machine. So I ordered a used crank from a fellow scrapyard in Ontario and got it here, and it's got some rust and stuff. It's at the engine rebuilders. It's in the hot tank currently, and hopefully we'll find out tomorrow what the story on that is, if it will be able to be turned and where they'll be able to turn it to, so I can get bearings and stuff ordered. So we're still looking at probably close to a week before I got stuff here ready to start putting stuff back together. Fingers crossed. That's if everything goes well and I don't have to look for yet another crank. So anyway, that's kind of the story of where I'm at right now. Just like the Army, hurry up and wait. So hopefully I'll have news, and good news, soon, and I'll be able to pass that along, and we'll get started putting this baby back together. Anyway, thanks for your patience, thanks for your interest in this project, and I hope soon we'll be able to start getting things in order. So thanks for watching. As always, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave those in the comment section down below. Like, share videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.